Ever wondered why some online courses become industry leaders while others fade into oblivion? What's the secret to gaining trust and credibility in the crowded e-learning market? In this video, we dive deep into the strategies that will not only elevate your course's reputation, but ensure it stands out as a beacon of quality and reliability. Miss out on these insights, and you risk losing potential learners to competitors who are stepping up their game. Stay tuned to discover how you can transform your online course into a trusted and sought-after educational resource. Be sure to hit subscribe and let's get started. Number 1, you've built it, now make them trust it. Have you poured your heart into creating an online course but worry it might get lost in the sea of digital offerings? How can you elevate your course to stand out as a credible and trustworthy educational option? Imagine you've just finished creating your online course. You've used tools like Camtasia to craft engaging video content and Canva for professional-looking course materials. But the work doesn't stop there. The next crucial step is to ensure your course is perceived as credible and trustworthy. How do you achieve this? Let's dive into the strategies that transform your course from just another online offering to a respected educational experience. Number 2, leveraging selectivity to enhance prestige. Why should being selective be your first step towards establishing course credibility? Discover how tightening admission can not only improve outcomes, but also boost your course's prestige. Firstly, consider the power of selectivity. Just as Harvard doesn't accept every applicant, setting a high bar for course entry can boost your course's prestige. Utilize Google Forms to screen applicants, ensuring that only those who are most likely to benefit are admitted. This not only improves student outcomes, but also enhances the overall perception of your course. Number 3, setting honest and clear expectations. Are your course promises too good to be true? Learn why setting honest and realistic expectations is crucial for long-term success and how it can build lasting trust with your students. Transparency is key in establishing trust. Avoid making lofty promises about income potential and instead focus on realistic outcomes. Use Google Analytics to gather and present data on student progress and success rates, providing potential students with a clear understanding of what they can genuinely expect to achieve. Number 4, showcasing data over anecdotes. Can data truly speak louder than success stories? Explore how presenting hard facts about your course's effectiveness can enhance its credibility more than any glowing testimonial. Instead of relying solely on anecdotal success stories, publish detailed success metrics. If your course promises to enhance skills or lead to better job prospects, show the data. Tools like Articulate 360 or Adobe Captivate can help you gather comprehensive performance data from your students, which you can then share to underline the effectiveness of your course. Number 5, providing valuable free content. Why should you give away your best content for free? Understand how this generous approach can be your most powerful marketing tool, transforming prospects into paying students. To establish credibility before asking for payment, consider offering valuable content for free. This could be a series of introductory videos or a mini course that highlights the quality and depth of your main course. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific are excellent for hosting these free offerings, allowing potential students to sample your teaching style and the course content. Number 6, building a community. How does building a community benefit your online course? See how a vibrant, engaged student network can serve as a living testament to the quality and impact of your educational content. Create a community around your course using platforms like Discord or Slack. This not only aids in learning, but also builds a network of students who can share their positive experiences with others, further enhancing the credibility of your course. Number 7, maintaining high standards. Why is it crucial to maintain high educational standards, and how does it impact your course's reputation? Learn how rigorous assessments can solidify your standing as a premier educational provider. Finally, ensure that your course maintains rigorous educational standards. Similar to how not all Harvard students graduate, consider implementing stringent assessment criteria to ensure that only those who truly grasp the material earn certification. This commitment to quality will solidify your course's reputation as a credible educational tool. Number 8, solidifying your course's market position. Ready to transform your course into a respected educational brand? What are the key strategies to ensure your course is recognized not just for what it teaches, but for the excellence it represents? By integrating these strategies, your online course can gain the respect and trust it deserves. From the careful selection of students to transparent reporting on outcomes, each step you take is crucial in positioning your course as a credible and valuable educational resource. Remember, building credibility is just as important as creating the course itself. It's what turns an educational product into a respected brand. Be sure to subscribe and watch our other videos for more game-changing insights on how to not only grow, but elevate and substantiate your path to financial freedom. See you next time.